Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan as well as Quality Business Consultant. And what I'd like to do today is to give some tips and tricks for Winston-Salem area small business owners and entrepreneurs to consider when writing a business plan. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point, I'm going to go ahead and then we can discuss a couple of tips and tricks to consider when updating your business plan, especially for business owners in the Winston-Salem area. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little PowerPoint presentation. So as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer as well as a business plan writer and strategic plan writer. So if y'all do need some help with writing your business plan, updating your business plan, or creating a strategic plan, please feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Love to help. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if y'all do need some help with those pesky financial projections, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist as well. All right, so with that said, a couple of business plan tips and tricks to keep in mind when writing a business plan for the Winston-Salem area. So from my research and working with individuals in that area, I do know that there is a population growth going on right now in the Winston-Salem area, the Durham area, the Raleigh area. The whole region is experiencing an influx of individuals. And when that happens, business owners, you should update your business plan to prepare for the changes that are coming. For example, one question you should be asking yourself is, how can I expand services to exploit opportunities? As more people move into the region, well, guess what? They're going to be buying homes. They're going to be buying new cars in the area. They're going to be spending more money at the grocery stores, and they're going to be remodeling homes. So there's going to be a lot of influx of cash. And when that happens, small business owners in the area start considering, not only servicing the customers the best you can based on the services that you provide, but also start asking yourself, what additional services can I provide that are complementary to what I do that can generate more revenues? If you come up with some new services, make sure to update the services section of your business plan. Also, consider how an influx of people is going to impact your business overall. Are you going to need to hire more people? Are you going to have to, shrink your service area because of traffic? Can you expand your service area and hire more people? Look at the influx of people from an operations perspective. And when you come up with some thoughts and ideas or some solutions to it, make sure to update your operations section in your business plan. And then finally, inevitably, when population growth happens in an area, it's going to impact just about every business and every industry in that area, and it's going to impact them differently. When you identify the changes that you're going to be making, identify some of the services that you may or may not be changing. When you do, then ask yourself, how much money do I need funding in order to make the changes that have been identified? And if I do need funding, how much is it going to be? What are the terms I'm going to be doing? And is it going to be a loan? Is it going to be a grant? Is it going to be an investor? So make sure to document that information in your funding section of the business plan. And also finally, inevitably, your financial projections are going to change. Your revenues may go up, your costs may go up, your costs may go down. So it's going to happen that your revenue population growth is going to impact your projections. So make sure you update your financial projections, have a financial model prepared that you can just easily change the information in there, and it'll immediately and automatically populate your projections for the next 12 months, 24 months, and 5 years. All right, so hopefully that information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up so we can call it a day. So in summary, when you are faced with population growth, make sure to reflect on how that population growth in an area is going to impact your business, not only for better, but also for worse. I mean, there's situations where, influx of people and now you've got significant traffic, and it's going to be able to cut down your delivery times or your transportation needs or what have you. So prepare for the better and for the worse, and make sure to, again, update your business plan, document it in the business plan so you are prepared. So when that happens, you're ready to execute your ideas. And then finally, when you are writing a business plan or updating a business plan, make sure to work with a proven writer. I am not in the Winston-Salem area, but I have written many business plans for that region. So feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email if you do need the assistance. Also, visit my website if you do want some more information on my services. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.